10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage des EAP, décollage.
Into the mission, so watch for that. And look at those pictures. In the clear skies above Kourou, the boosters have done their job. We don't need them anymore. Talk about losing weight. On the pad, Ariane 5 was 774 tons roughly. We're now down to 180 tons. And in the rocket business, when you get lighter, you go a lot faster. And there you see some video from a previous mission of the rockets, the boosters dropping away. Ariane 5 now closing in on 100 kilometers in the sky.
Flight mode on.
Flight mode on.
駆動用電池起動。
Summer batteries activation.
全システム準備完了。
All systems are ready.
メインエンジンスタート。
Main engine ignition.
SRBA 着火。
SLBA ignition and liftoff.
総合通探査機火薬2と小型副ペイロード3機を搭載した H2A ロケット26号機は平成26年12月3日午後1時22分04秒に種子島宇宙センターから打ち上げられました。
We had a liftoff of the H2A launch vehicle number 26 with the Hayabusa 2 and 3 secondary payloads on board from the Tanegashima Space Center at 1:22:04 p.m. on December 3, 2014, Japan Standard Time.
打ち上げ以降、ロケットの管制は吉信発射管制塔から竹崎総合司令塔に引き継がれています。
After liftoff, the launch vehicle operation control was shifted from the blockhouse to the range control center.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of the Atlas V and NOAA's GOES, a highly sophisticated weather-watching eye in the sky, to join its twin in providing better forecasts and saving lives.
Atlas has begun a pitch and yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path, an azimuth of 100.7 degrees.
At 35 seconds, the rocket carrying GOES will reach Mach 1, traveling faster than the speed of sound.
Right on schedule. Signatures look good. Roll.
T-minus 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Cassini spacecraft on a billion-mile trek to Saturn. Pitch program is in, roll program is in. We have cleared the tower, and the Cassini spacecraft is on its way to Saturn. T plus 20 seconds, all systems are go. Jupiter Inlet Tracking Station now acquiring data. All systems go. Everything is go at this time. All systems are go. And the solid rocket boosters have been jettisoned.
Item 149 and 5150.
Good solid rocket booster separation. First stage
Item
ignition.
152.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff. The Falcon soars from its perch toward the International Space Station, carrying Dragon and new science for the one-year crew. Seconds into flight, all systems are go for the Falcon 9. Approaching the 1 minute mark. Miko.
Stage separation confirmed. Good luck, stage 1.
See the stages separating.
And we have MVAC ignition.
Standing by. The single Merlin vacuum engine igniting on the second stage.
Altitude 86 kilometers, speed 1.9 kilometers per second, downrange distance 63 kilometers.
We have ignition. And we have liftoff of an ILS Proton from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan with the Inmarsat-5 F2 satellite on board. About 10 seconds after liftoff, the vehicle does do a roll maneuver, which aligns the launch vehicle pitch axis with the northeasterly launch azimuth. Now, the vehicle will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or max Q, which is the maximum aerodynamic stresses on the vehicle in atmospheric flight. And for Proton, max Q occurs around 1 minute and 2 seconds after liftoff and at a velocity of about Mach 1.6, and is sometimes accompanied by visible condensation if the atmospheric and lighting conditions are favorable. And here you can see it occurring now. We're just a little over 1 minute from launch. And we just went through max Q. Beautiful view there as the vehicle heads downrange, or we like to say in the rocket world, climbing up the hill.
$15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond. Well, for
Solid rocket booster separation confirmed. Guidance now converging. Discovery's onboard computers commanding the main engine nozzles to swivel, aiming the shuttle for its precise target in space for main engine cutoff.
Should have a good forward leg now in S10.
And you sound good.
The igniters have been lit.
9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff at dawn, the dawn of Orion, and a new era of American space exploration.
Good engine control in the first stage. Passing 25 seconds. Velocity 1,341 feet per second. Passing 31 seconds, still looking good. Good engine control. Good chamber pressure in all three boosters in the full power mode. 40 seconds in. Standing by to go to the partial thrust mode in the core. Mark, 1 minute into the flight. Still looking good. Good chamber pressure in the core booster in the partial thrust mode. Good chamber pressure in port and starboard in full power mode. One minute.
10, 9, 8.
Side booster ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
If you can hear me over the cheering, Falcon Heavy heading to space on our test flight. Building on the history of Saturn V Apollo, returning pad 39A to interplanetary missions. We're getting ready to throttle down for max Q.
Supersonic.
You've heard the call out. Vehicle is supersonic. Side boosters are now throttling back up to full
Vehicle
power.
has reached maximum dynamic pressure.
We're past max Q, the period of maximum loads on the vehicle. Next up, we'll be waiting for the side boosters to begin to throttle down prior to booster engine cutoff and separation 2.5 minutes into flight. GNC trajectory looks good on the Falcon Heavy. Reports show that the M1D engine performance is nominal.
Contact engine says begun.
Side boosters have begun to throttle down in preparation for the upcoming shutdown in 20 seconds. Major event coming up with side booster shutdown and separation.
Inside shutdown. Side boosters. Beacon. Center. Which is southing up. S1 keeps going. Still booster base box starting.
Successful separation. We're coming up on MECO and shutdown.
Stay set. Good separation confirmed. Event recognition. This big burn looks good on side boosters. Background start up.
Coming up on fairing separation.
Center core side engines on power, also look good.
We are go for Apollo 11. Firing command coming in now. We're on an automatic sequence as the master computer supervises hundreds of events occurring over these last few minutes. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
Okay, we got a roll program.
Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading. Altitude's 2 miles.
Oh, 11 Houston, you're good at 1 minute.
Downrange 1 mile, altitude 4, velocity 4,000 feet per second.
Stand by for mode 1 Charlie. Mark, mode 1 Charlie. 1 Charlie.
Cliff Charlesworth taking a staging status.
This is Houston, you are go for staging. And board cutoff.
There it is, right on the tick.
And ignition. Houston, thrust is go. All engines, you're looking good. Roger, you're loud and clear, Houston.
At 3 minutes.